You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have Air Jordan 11s. These are the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. But before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at one of this year's most anticipated sneakers. You know that Jordan brand loves to drop an 11 around the holidays, and here they are. Let's take a look at the shoes. They're very similar to the Concord 11s with that black and white color blocking. They feature a black sock liner in this soft material. For the tongue, you have this luxe leather material, which is mainly what the upper consists of. On the back of the tongue, there is a nylon tongue tag that says thank you on both sides. It's Jordan Brand's way of showing gratitude to all the people that continue to help carry Jordan's legacy. And in the middle of the tongue, you have this nylon rectangle that's stitched on, and it says Jumpman Jordan with a gold Jumpman right in the middle. It comes with these thick white laces. Taking us down to that toe box, you have that coveted, beloved patent leather looking like a tuxedo that extends all around the side panels of the shoe, which is an overlay on top of the luxe leather upper. And towards the back of the side panel, you do have this gold Jumpman. And taking us to the back of the shoe, you do have this gold 23 embossed right here on the back of the ankle. And for the midsole, you do have this white polyurethane midsole, and on the inside, you do have this black and gold carbon fiber shank for stability. Taking us to the outsole, you have this translucent clear outsole that has black accents, and underneath you can see more of that carbon fiber with a white Jumpman. The Air Jordan 11 originally released back in 1995 when Jordan made his first return out of retirement back to the league. They were designed by legendary Tinker Hatfield, and over the years this has become one of the most popular sneakers, if not the most popular sneaker of all time. I feel like every sneakerhead, every person that's into Jordans has owned a pair of 11s at some point in their life. This latest release, the Gratitudes, is Jordan Brand's way of saying thank you to all the fans that helped continue to carry Jordan's legacy throughout all these years after he's been retired. And Jordan Brand always releases an 11 around the holiday season. Over the years, we've seen the Concords, we've seen the Space Jams and the Cool Grays. This pair right here, the Gratitudes, they are very similar to the Defining Moments pack Jordan 11s. And for those of you who might not know, that DMP pack consisted of two Jordans, the Jordan 6 all black and the Concord 11s, but with gold accents to commemorate Jordan's first and fourth championship that he won in 1991 and 1996. The only difference between the Gratitudes and the DMP 11s is that the Gratitudes feature this luxe leather premium upper instead of that mesh, which really give these a luxurious feel. And I thought not having the mesh was gonna be a deal breaker for me, but seeing these in person, they're very clean. I love the way they look, and just this classic silhouette, this classic color instantly brings me back to when I had the Concords from 2001. I really loved those shoes. I wore them until the outsole was yellow. Even when they were that yellow, I still loved them. I still wore them until they finally soul separated on me, but I think it's about time I add another pair of Concords or Defining Moment Pack 11s to my collection. It's a really good looking shoe. The toe box isn't as round as previous 11 releases. I like that Nike and Jordan are paying homage to all the people that continue to buy Jordans year after year and just keep that Jordan story alive. These retail at a price point for $230. They will be available in all sizes to accommodate the entire family. As far as sizing goes, I definitely recommend going true to size in Jordan 11s. As far as comfort goes, Jordan 11s have never been the most comfortable, but they're not uncomfortable either. I just wouldn't recommend wearing them for extended periods of time, like I'm talking 12 plus hours a day. But as far as style goes, this silhouette right here, this material, this patent leather, it was just such a game changer back then in 1996, and even now so in 2023, they still just look amazing. This is really just a true classic. You can ask anybody what their favorite Jordan is, and I would say 99% of the time, a lot of people can say the Jordan 11. But how do you guys feel about the Gratitudes? Is this something you've been looking forward to all year? Do you prefer that it would come with the mesh upper, or are you intrigued by the leather upper like we are? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We appreciate all the support. But let's go ahead and try these on.
This shit slap, put Globey on the laptop. The one-seater, it get lonely in the matchbox. It ain't real if you're stony, it's from Hadstock. Try and tell me different, what you smoking on the crack rock. SM, Mega Mall, boys stay ahead of y'all. Toys said they never fall, swing on them like tetherball. Boris gang, holes on the 2 balls like Hornets games. For the fame, Matei make them say it like Tory Lanez. The world on my back gave me shoulder pains. The storyboard is golden from the molten flame, I'm ready for it. Indigenous from the igneous to metamorphic. Right around blind like headless horsemen. A man of many hats, once I stepped in storage, face facts, I'ma need my plate.
If you enjoyed this episode on the Jordan 11 Gratitudes, make sure you check out all our other Jordan reviews for you. There's a bunch for you guys to binge and enjoy. Drop a comment, hit that like button, hit that sub. We appreciate all the support. We'll catch you on the next episode.